Today I'm going to show you how you can export your video projects in 4K quality from VEED. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in our project here, and regardless of your video clips that you have added in, the resolution that you've added them in with, maybe they're 1080, maybe they're a little bit lower, we have the opportunity to go up over here and click on Done. This will complete our project, and over here we will see that we can export it. Now you'll see over here there is draft quality. If you just want it rendered quickly and exported quickly, you can do so. Then we've got standard, and this is then the trade-off between quality, it's a balance, and then the render time. So it'll take a little bit longer than draft, but the quality will be good. Then we've got HD, which is 1080, and this is higher quality, of course, and it will also take longer to render. Then you've got your 4K over here. So this is the highest quality resolution. It'll take a lot longer to render. You can then also see that there is YouTube 4K, and this uses YouTube's recommended settings for the 4K 60 frame videos. So if you want to export, you can export it and optimize it for YouTube specifically. All right. If you go down over here, there are a couple other options, but your two options that we're looking for here is the 4K. This is standard 4K, and this will be YouTube 4K. Now you do need to upgrade your plan to do so, so make sure you go ahead and do that. You can also come in over here, click on the settings icon. You can go and change, say perhaps you want to put it in to resolution, you want to put it into Instagram. You can then change the frame rate over here, as well as the quality. So we want to make it high, and the compression rate, we want to just say high quality, and this will also export it in 4K.